Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a look at our new 2020 23-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. As you can see, we ordered this boat with gray hull, white motor. The bottom of the white motors, as you can see, are gray. Everything matches. Underside of the hardtop is gray to match. We'll take a second. We'll go through the options on the boat. We'll have a good look through. As we enter the 23 Boston Whaler Outrage, we'll see it as a walk-through transom door with a freshwater shower. This boat does have the ski pole, live well in the back, a large fold-up seat in the back with this new 300 V8, which is naturally aspirated. You can actually sit in the seat and enjoy a conversation as the motor's running. The top of the motor does open up so you can check the oil. Take a look at the boat. Has a tow rail, fish box, seat back comes down, makes a seat for fishing, bolster style helm. This boat does have electronics, VHF, stereo, windlass, has the vessel view, Lenco trim tabs, the electronic controls, has a glove box, which has the USB port for charging your phone. Has the wheel with a knob on it. Very well thought out helm, cup holders. Take a look at the head. It is a plumb porta potty with storage forward. Seating with cushion forward. There's your windlass. Some rod holders, some cup holders. Cooler under the seat. Fiberglass hardtop, as I said, and underneath, same color as the hull. Forward lighting. There's also lighting aft. Cooler under your helm seat. May miss that. Rod holders. Another look at the helm. Very well thought out. Great color scheme on this boat. Overall, very nice 23-foot Boston Whaler. Thank you.